Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video. And on today's video I'm going to show you how to hide comments on Instagram Live. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Here I will be demonstrating by going live on Instagram. So for that, first of all, launch the Instagram application. Then make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you land on your home page, now from the menu bar at the bottom of this interface, you will get an icon as plus, so tap on that plus icon, and from here scroll down the menu bar again at the bottom of this interface. There you will get an option as live, so you have to go live on Instagram. In order to do so, tap on that button on your interface. Now once you go live, again at the bottom of the interface you will get an option as add a comment, and along with that you will get three dot icon. Tap on there, and from this drop down menu tap on turn off commenting, and after you do so your comments will be hidden and comments will be turned off on Instagram. And that's how you can hide comments on Instagram Live. I hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and like the video and leave a comment. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.